When you have a YouTube channel and making some revenue from it, this is definitely a great thing. And if you do it the right way, it can also grow month to month. However, having multiple sources of income from the same video, at least in my humble opinion, is definitely better. And now that my revenue is over $12,000 monthly, I want to share the things I learned on this journey so your income can grow too. Now everyone's videos will be different obviously, and in my specific situation I'm doing mostly the reviews, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is for me to make these multiple sources of income. Obviously you can do the same, but it doesn't actually have to be a review video to use similar strategy. So first let me quickly show my strategy and what I do to get 3 sources of income from the same exact video, and then I will give you a few examples how you can do it with different niche content. So obviously my main platform is YouTube. I don't have any other social media accounts, meaning I don't use TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. And if you use any of these platforms additionally, you can potentially even build more sources of revenue. However, I also have Amazon Associates account, and I'm part of Amazon Influencers program, and this is exactly how I generate my revenue. Now with that being said, not all the sources are equal. What I mean is they bring different amount of revenue. Now the first 2 in my situation are not very high sources of income. So from YouTube itself, maybe I get paid $100+ a month. From the Amazon Associates account, I get paid about $100 to $150 monthly. And then my highest revenue is from Amazon Influencers video, and this is where I make about $12,000 a month. But the coolest part about it is that I use pretty much exactly the same video with a minor changes to generate the revenue from all 3 platforms. So in this situation, I have a review video on YouTube. So first my channel earns some revenue from the AdSense itself. Obviously I have low number of views so far on that. Then because this is a review video, I mentioned the link in the description below, and then when some viewers decide to buy the product from the link, we make some little commission from it, or referral revenue if you will. And then basically I cut the front of the video from YouTube, you know, the part that mentions if you like the product, click the link below to check it out. So I just cut the small part of the video, and I also cut the parts when I say subscribe, like, and etc. because Amazon Influencers program has different community guidelines. And then I post this slightly edited video in the Amazon storefront. So without much extra work, I'm building the 3rd source of revenue. Usually though, I do it in the reverse order. So I upload the video to the Amazon storefront, aka as Amazon Influencers video first, because obviously it makes the most revenue, so it makes sense to take care of it first. And then I add this front and the end of the video posted to YouTube, and that's pretty much it. Now the thing is, even if you don't do any review videos, that won't stop you from getting multiple sources of income either. Because for example, let's say you're good in music, like playing the guitar, piano, and etc. You could have a YouTube channel when you, for example, teach people to play piano. Then depending of course how you recorded the video, but for most part you can reuse it on Instagram and TikTok, so you can potentially build another sources of revenue. And coming back to YouTube, besides the revenue from the ads, if your channel is growing, you could have memberships, so your viewers will be happy to get some exclusive content, maybe some special lessons you never teach before in other videos, or you can even make a musical course. So in this situation, for example, you're gonna make lesson 1 to 10, teaching everything needed to learn the piano like a pro. And that's just little example. With YouTube, the opportunity is wide open, and creators earn revenue many different ways. Some even sell merch, have sponsorships. So basically the revenue from ads is good to start. Obviously everyone starts somewhere. However, that doesn't mean at all that this is only the revenue you will get paid, because you can build it to an amazing opportunity. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that to make some extra income is very easy from YouTube. However, to build it to a few $1,000s a month, for example, it doesn't necessarily have to be hard. However, it will definitely take some time and effort. But as long as you're willing to do it, and you're also willing to wait for the delayed results, if you will, especially financially, then this opportunity is definitely right for you, and the time might be worth investing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And if you like the info in it, click the like button, it definitely helps, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers!